In today's video, I'll show you how to install car mods in Euro Truck Simulator 2. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the car mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm going to install this Lamborghini. Once you download the mod, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Go to Documents and scroll down and find Euro Truck Simulator 2. You can able to see mod folder. If you doesn't have, then right click and select New and select folder. Name this mod. Open the mod folder and drop this SCS file. Once you drop the mod, we have successfully installed the mods. Launch the game. Go to Mods tab. Select OK. Select the mod to enable. Just double click and make sure the mod is inactive. Do the same thing. Once you're done, select Confirm Changes option. Select Continue Career. Once you are in game, select the services and select truck dealers. Select access mod dealer and select the mod car. This is the car I added. Select purchase option. Choose your target location and select garage and select OK option to purchase. Select OK. If it doesn't have this much amount of money to purchase this car, check my video description for cheat engine tutorial on how to get ultimate money. Now we have successfully purchased this car, and now I'll show you guys how to drive this car. Select this home icon, select the company truck manager, and as you can see the car is selected. Now go back to home and select the drive option. We are successfully driving the Lamborghini car that we added. And that's how you can install car mod in Euro Truck Simulator 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.